Hello shoppers! I have one great product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a phone holder for your car from Andobil. This phone holder is very well made. It looks stylish and beautiful. Combination of black and silver. Looks very nice. This phone holder is designed to be attached to the dashboard or to the windshield. It has a strong suction cup, but also it comes with the pad. It's self-adhesive pad. You can also attach it to the pad. This phone holder is suitable for any phones between 4 to 7 inch. And I love the idea of 1 second quick release button. You will find these buttons on both sides. And also it's only one hand operation. It's very convenient. And inside you will find rubber lining. It will prevent your phone from scratches and will keep your phone firm and stable. Also, it's designed with fully adjustable angle you can choose from, and the actual arm is also adjustable. You can make it longer or shorter, and the ball joint at the back will allow you to use any angle and rotate your phone from portrait to landscape mode. Andobil phone holder is a great choice. Quality is wonderful and it's very beautiful and stylish. I love this product and it could be a very nice gift to your loved ones. I would highly recommend it.